Hey there, hi there, ho there, folks. It happens to be December 31st, Georgia. See this pepper plant? That's from 2 years ago. I bought that one 2 years ago and started growing it indoors. It's second year, and it's still trying to produce flowers and fruit. But it didn't decide it wanted to die yet. I thought I'd show you that one. Greenhouse. Take our time getting here. Our little cauliflowers are starting. Can't see it in most of them. If you look real close, you might see that one. Definitely see this one if you look close. See it? A little white bulb in there. Can't see it there either, but they're starting. They're doing their thing. So that'll be nice. Not long we'll have some cauliflower. Well, check out the roof. See all the holes? All it is just holes now. Held up by this mesh. I'm gonna have to take and get some plastic and put it over the top of it pretty soon. Otherwise we're never gonna keep anything alive here all year. So I'll keep on going this way. Here's something I've been waiting for forever. Asparagus, still trying to grow. And I brought you out here to show you this. Broccoli. Broccoli heads forming. Real nice. Little tiny one there. Bigger one there. Little one. Bigger yet. Huh. Not having any luck with these Brussels sprouts though. It may be better for in the greenhouse next year. But I don't know, we'll see. Still got time. Nice thing about Georgia is it usually doesn't get too cold. I should be able to keep most of it from having a problem if I can keep a little tent over it. Don't let it get too cold, don't let it get too hot. No. That's it for now.